Newton Steel Frames produces light gauge steel frame. It's an innovative solution for the construction industry where we provide superstructure for flatted developments, hotels, student accommodation, care homes, etc. The choice of Falkirk area was really on the basis that we knew there was a labour market that we could tap into. The Council have supported us initially on our application to Scottish Enterprise for grant support, on other areas of grant support including Digital Boost. Particularly useful in recent times has been recruitment, where we've used the employee training unit to support us in getting the labour we need.
So obviously this is a great example of an inward investment company coming to Falkirk and how easy we can make that process. This is a manufacturing organisation that's producing cutting edge product. It's very sustainable, it's creating a lot of jobs. Semi-skilled and skilled jobs, and it's exactly the sort of business we want to attract into Falkirk area, so we were really excited to start dealing with them.